everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is my usual monthly Glossybox unboxing. If you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you'll know that this is usually a live unboxing, but as of a few days ago I have now lost the capabilities to go live on my account due to me having less than 1,000 subscribers. I'm really disappointed that YouTube have decided to take this feature off for channels with lower than 1,000 because I don't understand what they get from it, kind of thing. And this was a feature that I used, if not once but maybe twice a month sometimes, depending on what subscription boxes I had coming through. So I've decided I do kind of want to still keep it in the same vein of being like a live video, so I'm filming this probably half an hour or so before I'm actually going to upload it, and I'm not going to edit this video either, so it will be kind of the same feel as a live video, but it's going to be a scheduled upload, if that makes sense. And provided it all goes smoothly and my internet at home is reliable, that's probably how I will proceed to carry on doing these videos in the future. So this is the box that I've received for the month of April. There were two options for this month, the Fruity Edit and then what I have received, which is the Flora Edit. When I was looking at the two options, I wasn't leaning more towards one than the other, so I don't mind too much that I've got the Flora one. I wasn't overly keen on getting the fruity one, if that makes sense, but I just think the packaging is absolutely gorgeous, very spring-like. The actual box itself is a really bright hot pink and it says "Let your dreams blossom." I presume the fruit one will have a different phrase on it, but just really love the packaging of this, and it is a pretty box to be able to store things in the future. As usual, we have the card on the top here, which I will put to the side and come back to at the end. And then we have a pink ribbon instead of the usual black ribbon, and we have some green tissue paper, which also looks to have a floral print on it as well, so I really like the attention to detail that they have in this box. I have already removed the sticky label, so let's see what we've got inside. Quite a few decent big looking products in here by the looks of it, which will explain the weightiness of this product. When it did arrive, I did feel like it felt a lot heavier than usual boxes do. I'll go first to this one here. This is the Super Duper Fruity Green, is that Tuberose Body Butter, very dry skin formula. This is, what size is this? I can't see what size it is, but at the front there, 300ml, so this is definitely full size. Really good, very full pot of body butter. Let me just smell. That does have a really nice scent to it. It is floral, but not too floral. Generally, I do tend to go for sweet, floral scents, so this is kind of the thing that's up my alley. I do also like, say, fruity and fresh scents, so either box I probably would have been happy with, but that does smell pretty nice. And now that the weather is getting a bit colder again here in the UK, we've had a couple of days of warm weather, but it's getting colder again. My skin is really suffering at the moment, so this is probably going to be ideal to help with my dry skin. So excited to give that one a go. Then we have, oh, the lids fell off this one. This is a fragrance by the looks of it. Yeah, eau de parfum. This says "Let your dreams blossom" and it is by Jeannie Arthurs. It's really nice to receive a bottle of fragrance, which is a nice size bottle as well, and probably would be ideal for travel. It's a 30ml size. Let's just give this one a spray. That smells really similar to a higher end perfume that I've had recently, and I can't put my finger on what it is. It is more the kind of smell that my mum would wear as opposed to me, and she has got a perfume very similar to that, so this is probably going to be something I might pass on to her, to be honest. But it smells nice, it's just not my personal taste, but I say really nice to receive a bottle of perfume for a change, and the packaging on it is gorgeous and very spring-like. Then we have some Original Source shower gel. This is hydrator water infusions with raspberry and rose water. Even though I am a fan of floral scents, I'm not a huge fan of rose scented things. So I'm hoping this smells more raspberry than rose water. Let's give it a smell. That is really nice. That actually smells like some again, something I can't put my finger on, but it smells like sweets. It's not too overpowering in either sense, to be honest. It is really nice, and I'm actually excited to give this one a go. It says it's 3 times moisturisers, vitamin and antioxidant blend. So again, because of my dry skin at the moment, this will be great. And it might be something that I might actually take on holiday, because I do need a shower gel to take on holiday with me, and this saves me buying one. But yeah, really nice scent, and happy to receive that because I haven't used an Original Source shower gel in a long time. Then we have this from Dr. Botanicals. This was the sneak peek that we did see on the pamphlet from last month. This is a pomegranate superfruit regenerating sleeping mask. I am really into my masks at the moment, and sleeping masks are ideal for me because it saves me having to bother taking it off. So I'm really excited to give this one a go. It just says, allow the mask to sink into skin and leave overnight, cleanse as normal the following morning. So I say ideal for me because I can just put it on before I go to bed. I really like the cute packaging as well. It's a really nice size, and if I did want to take any mask away with me, this would be a good size to take. So excited to try that one too. Then we have from Palmer's, this is a chia seed and argan oil hair mask. We got a hair mask not that long ago, I believe, and I haven't got around to using it yet, to be honest. I don't overly find myself reaching for hair masks, but they are a nice addition to throw into boxes, and I've heard people say really good things about them, that they do help moisturise and things your hair. This one says it helps strengthen and protect new growth, and also is for rejuvenating dull and lifeless hair. So I do want to give a hair mask a go. I just have visions of it making my hair really greasy and having to wash it all over again and things, but I will try one day soon. And then the final product in here is from Dr. Pawpaw. This is a multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw for lips, cheeks and cosmetic finishing with a hint of tint. And it says it's cruelty free. Again, another size product. I think most of the ones in here are pretty much full size products. Definitely no samples. I won't take the seal off that actually, but really excited to give this one a go. I do have a lip balm currently on the go, but it is just a clear lip balm, so it might be nice to have one with a bit of a tint to it. It does say hot pink. I'm hoping it's a bit more of a sheer finish because I don't really like too bright of a finish, but again, it says for your cheeks, so it might be quite nice on the cheeks. So here are the products that we got this month. Obviously put back in no particular order. Overall, pretty happy with that. Obviously it's very skincare heavy, but definitely got the right theme with the spring and all the pinks and the greens. So really like the sort of aesthetics of the look of all the colours and things. Definitely excited to try this because that smells really nice. My mum I think will make good use of that. Excited to try that as well. We'll see what this one's like, and could definitely use this in my life at the moment. Obviously the hair mask I won't get a lot of use out of, but it's nice to have. So going over to the book, this will have the full size prices in. Again, really bright colours in the booklet, which is really nice. So first of all, we have the perfume, which it says RRP is £20.99. I know perfume can be quite expensive. For me personally, I wouldn't spend that amount because I don't like that scent, but if it was a scent I like, £20 isn't too bad to spend. Then we have the body butter. We could have got another scent, which is in Zingy Ginger, and to be honest, I think I'd rather have preferred that than ginger. I'm a bit hit and miss as to whether I like ginger scented things or not. And this says it is £10, which I presume that is the full size. Yes, full size, so £10 is great. I've paid £10 for the box. Then the Dr. Botanicals, it says Deluxe Mini worth £14 for 30ml, which is what we've received. The full size is 50ml for £19, so even the Deluxe Mini is more than half the size of the full size one. I do really like that it actually breaks down how much the actual item you've received is worth, which is great. The Original Source shower gel is £2.30, which is what you'd expect to pay for a shower gel. Then the Dr. Pawpaw Hot Pink Balm is £6.95, not a bad price, and this is full size. And then finally the Palmer's hair mask, which is an extra treat. this says the deluxe mini worth £1.99 or a full size which is worth £2.99. I presume for the size of this you would get one full sort of head of hair done out of it. The deluxe one you might get two done because it does feel like quite a lot of product in there. But overall I don't think it's too bad, and I do think I've probably got my money's worth out of this box. So looking on to the sneak peek for next month, and it says in May we'll be treating you to one of two of the Barry M sets, either the Chisel Cheeks Contour Cream Kit or the Cosmic Light Highlighter Palette. I do really like the brand Barry M, but I don't tend to make much use out of face palettes, so I think either of these, to be honest, if I receive them, I'm probably not going to make use out of them, and they will most definitely be put to one side for a future giveaway. But that is it for this unboxing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already. Thanks.